let's unbox my little cheap Saint Laurent gift that I got. This was 95 euros in France. I think it's $120 now in the US. They never have it on the website. It's from Saint Laurent, from Rive Droit, which is their like cheaper slash like more artsy, like whatever collection. I got it in France. I have not opened it. This is like maybe from 6 months ago. It's all packaged, but I'm gonna use it today. It is a little Saint Laurent coffee mug. Don't come for me. I know it's bougie and whatever, but it's a little bit of luxury, and $100, right, for a reusable coffee mug is still a lot. I understand, but I'm gonna use it every day, and it's gonna give me a little bit of luxury, and it's so cute, and it's all black, and it'll fit nicely, and I'm saving the environment and stuff. So yeah, and you can never get it. So, and like, let's say I use it 100 times, that is $1 a time, right? And that's $1 a time that I save instead of buying coffee from outside, which I do too much. So I'm really girl mathing. The math is mathing. Ceramic little cup with a soft top. I'm gonna make some coffee now. Bye. How good? Oh.